Imagine you have just arrived at an international airport. You have your passport, your boarding pass, and your luggage. Everything seems ready. But suddenly, an airport officer asks you a question. Would you answer with confidence? Today, you will learn real English conversations that people use at airports every day. Listen carefully and imagine that you are the traveler. Airline staff. Good morning. May I have your passport, please? Passenger. Certainly. Here you are. Airline staff. Thank you. Where are you flying today? Passenger. I'm flying to Rome, Italy. Airline staff. Do you have any bags to check in? Passenger. Yes, I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag. Airline staff. Please place your suitcase on the scale. Passenger. Of course. Airline staff. Everything looks good. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate A12. Boarding begins at 9:15 a.m. Passenger. Thank you very much. After checking in, the passenger walks to the security checkpoint. Security officer. Please place your bag, phone, laptop, and jacket in the tray. Passenger. Certainly. Security officer. Do you have any liquids or sharp objects in your bag? Passenger. No, I don't. Security officer. Please walk through the security scanner. Passenger. Thank you. Security officer. You're all set. Have a pleasant flight. Passenger. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now the passenger arrives at the boarding gate. Gate agent. Good morning. May I see your boarding pass, please? Passenger. Here it is. Gate agent. Thank you. You're in seat 18A. Boarding has started. You may enter the aircraft now. Passenger. Thank you. After entering the airplane, a flight attendant welcomes the passenger. Flight attendant. Welcome aboard. Passenger. Thank you. Flight attendant. May I help you find your seat? Passenger. Yes, please. I'm looking for seat 18A. Flight attendant. It's on the left, next to the window. Passenger. Thank you very much. Flight attendant. You're welcome. Please place your carry-on bag in the overhead compartment and fasten your seatbelt. Passenger. Certainly. Let's review some useful airport expressions. May I have your passport, please? Where are you flying today? Do you have any bags to check in? Please place your suitcase on the scale. Your flight departs from gate A12. Please walk through the security scanner. Boarding has started. Welcome aboard. Please fasten your seatbelt. These are common English expressions that you will hear at airports around the world. The more you listen to them, the more confident you will become. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English with greater confidence wherever you travel. See you in the next lesson.